How to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily fix this. First off, you're going to have to go to Roblox application on your device. You can do this both on your PC or your mobile phone, depending on which device you use mostly. I'll be showing you guys it in my phone. Now once you open up Roblox, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you basically want to head over to the More section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you get to this section, you can just scroll down and go to Messages. It will show you all of your direct messages on here. But if you want to send messages on your experience or public chats, then in that case, you want to first head over to Settings. Once you open up Settings menu, find the Privacy and Content Restrictions option. And then from here, you'll get other sub options like content maturity, communication, visibility, and private servers. You basically want to go to communications and then go to experience chat. Now make sure that the experience chat is selected to everyone. If it is set to no one, make sure you select this to everyone, and same for the direct chat as well. Now go back, you can go to visibility and private servers, and once you go to visibility, make sure that your online status is visible and show current experience is visible as well. And once you do all of this, you can just head over to any one of the games you want. So let me just go ahead and join this game, Please Donate. Now once you land on the game screen, as you can see, I'm able to simply continue on with the chat at the top left corner. So you basically have to just go here and then tap on the chat icon on the top left corner to chat with everyone. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.